I'll try to play whatever videos you have sent me.
Yeah.
Facebook Live, Babu.
This conference will now be recorded. Muted. Unmuted.
Then again, it got muted. Check your audio, Pankaj ji.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yes.
I think like it's perfect, right?
Yes. It's okay. Welcome to Dr. TSPR
Yeah.
show. This is Dr. Tangella Shiva Prasad Reddy alias Dr. TSPR. Namaste, Adab, hello. Sorry, we are 7 minutes late because of the technical reasons. So let us not waste much time. Let me introduce you the guest of today, Pankaj K. Gupta. He is connected to us from Kathmandu, Nepal, wherein he is stationed for a noble cause. The cause is very clear: the third pole, Himalayas, the glaciers which are there, and why are they melting down? What are the reasons for it to melt down? And if it melts down, what would be the impact on India and South Asia? So they have selected a novel way to sensitize, to make people to understand the importance of Himalayas, sacred Himalayas, which our Vedas, everyone preach. So we have taken this topic because there have been alarming reports arising out of New York Times and all, which we have published in the poster also. By 2050, all the coastal cities in India too, Mumbai, other cities Mr. Pankaj would mention, the part of Cochin, so and so, are they going to submerge because of the rise of sea? Is it directly related to this third pole, Mount Everest in Himalayas? So he is the founder of Mount Everest Fashion Runway also. He is a fashion man, of course. You need not have any doubts. So let me just, I'll ask him to just say hello before I start playing the videos. Yes, sir, you can greet our viewers.
Hello, everyone. Whoever is watching, Dr. Shiva Prasad Reddy, and thank you, Doctor. And it is really nice that you have given us an opportunity to come to your channel and speak about several things. Maybe we can cover so many subjects because in just one half an hour session, we cannot say that we have covered everything. And the magnitude of the show, basically why it is a fashion show, why it is not other thing, and what are the things following with the fashion show, and what else we are doing. There are so many stories behind. So maybe it won't be possible to cover in just half an hour or maybe one session. So I think without wasting the time, we should start the things. And Dr. Reddy, I'm all yours.
Done. So I'm just going through. I'll just share the screen for people to watch the videos which you have already sent. And this is the highest altitude fashion show which you have. This is what I was trying to tell people. The rising seas will erase more cities by 2050. New research shows. Let us leave that there. Because we document everything, so that's why I just wanted to make people comfortable. See Mount Everest. Let me show you. This is Mr. Pankaj Gupta along with his another colleague. Here you see. This is Pankaj Gupta for you. Behind it is the Mount Everest. The importance of it you will come to know. Such beautiful nature is bestowed and endowed with such.
That black one, small tip you can say that is the Mount Everest actually.
Is this the one?
Yes, yes.
So this black tip is Mount Everest, and see our Indian flag flying high. The wonderful.
Yeah, but I would, I would like also like to, show the other picture, which I will show why it is important. Basically, if you can just click on the other picture,
Yes, yes.
which have my other partners. Why I'll tell you why it is important to bring them always.
I know. Just trying
Can
to
you
show.
just click on that picture?
Yeah, yeah. This is what the peak, Mount Everest. Let people understand. Those who cannot go there, at least watch it live and enjoy. He is bringing these pictures live
Yeah.
to us, Mr. Pankaj Gupta. He is stationed in Kathmandu for this very special purpose, to save environment. How can he save? With his profession, what he knows is the best. He is a fashion man, right from Milan to everywhere. He is very well known, Paris or everywhere. So this is just, I just wanted to show you how beautiful these mountains look. This is the Mount Everest on your screen. Enjoy it. Yes, I'll just another
Yeah, if
picture.
you can just click. Yeah, this picture is very important actually. Why I'll say, because these are my partners. The center one is the main fashion designer for Mount Everest Fashion Runway, from CASA, Ramila Nemkul, and she is the only fashion designer registered in the Guinness World Record as her personal name. And the left one, the man in blue, is Rikin Maharjan, from Nepal. He is a CEO of RB Diamond. He is hosting a Nepal flag, which is with any other flag, any country flag. If there is no Nepal flag on the Mount Everest, that picture is incomplete actually.
Wonderful. God bless you, because due credit should be
Because
given to all those who matter.
we have to respect. We have to respect the law of the land,
Wonderful.
and without them, we cannot do anything.
Yes, you see, this is the Nepal flag and Mr. Mahajan, and back you see the Mount Everest on your screen, and the only officially Guinness Book recognized fashion show. What is her name?
Ramila Nemkul.
She is also from Nepal.
Yeah, she's from Nepal, and fortunately, she's my wife.
God bless you, man. Dr. Pankaj Gupta. So she is Mrs. Pankaj Gupta, and he is using all his contacts and his relations for a noble purpose, that is to save Himalayas from getting heated up, or to sensitize people so that this heat waves doesn't disturb such beautiful, beautiful mountains. Just have a look and don't bother this watch list, subscribers, everything is hacked. Don't worry, because people keep sending messages. Yesterday also they were flooding me with all that. We are doing our job. We are not bothered what others like to do.
Dr. Reddy, like I would like to say something, like because if I would listen to people, then I would have been able to take 15 supermodels up there in minus 30 degree,
Wow.
and saving 8,000 liters of water, giving a clear message that anyone who goes up to any mountain for any hiking, there is a technology called waterless bath. We have promoted that anyone who goes up to the mountain, and they can use that waterless technology by Delhi IIT. It is a product of Delhi IIT. If you use that product, you save a lot of water in the mountains.
Wonderful.
And if I calculate, let me come to the statistics. Almost 70,000 people, 75,000 people tracks to go to Mount Everest every year. This is the government record. And for example, if one person wastes 100 liter of water just to take bath, calculate that 75,000 into 100 liters. You can imagine how much liters of water they are wasting every year. And if they use waterless technology of Delhi IIT, how much liter they save every year. This is not just a fashion show.
Wonderful.
So we have saved more than 8,000 liters of water, giving a clear message to the people that if you are going to any mountain, forget about Mount Everest, any mountain, use the resource very responsibly.
use the resource very responsibly. Before I come to what is Third Bowl Mount, and this is the peak, right? Wow, what a picture!
This is the peak. Yes.
This is
Yeah, this is
Mount
the peak.
Everest on your screen, and lovely ladies walking on the ramp. This is Mount Everest for you. Pictures Kui. I'm thankful to Pankaj Gupta for providing us wonderful pictures. It's as if we are visiting the Himalayas. Wonderful. This is for you, for people to understand.
Just imagine during that time it was minus 25 degrees Celsius.
When this fashion show was being held, I think it was in January. Am I right?
Uh, 26 January 2020, that is Republic Day of India. 26 जनवरी 2020 को गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड मिला था.
Wonderful, wonderful. What beautiful
So that was
mountains.
not intentionally done. That was, it was accidentally happened. But we never thought because, at that time in minus 35 degrees Celsius, in less than 50% of oxygen, you don't remember dates, you don't remember days, you don't remember time. You just remember that if you are alive or not.
Oh, wonderful. This is for you, ladies and gentlemen. The highest peak, the Mount Everest, is on your screen. Such beautiful mountains. Don't you think we should preserve? We should save them. If you don't save them, we have seen what an article carried out by 2050. Why sea waters are going to engulf
All right, sir.
coastal areas?
Let me come up, Dr. Reddy. Let me come up with few points,
Yeah.
which will be very important for the people
This
who
I'll
ask
show.
so many
This I'll
questions.
show. This I'll show. This video, and then we will come back to your discussion. Just 2 minutes, because
This is Paula.
I want people to understand the nativity,
Alessandro. Hello.
the beauty of the nature,
Natasha.
and the hard work which you have really indulged.
And Mary.
These are all models who are trekking to the peak, Mount Everest, for that fashion show which was done on the eve of Republic Day 2020.
Uh, let me tell you, sir. Let me tell you, it was not
This is
it,
the Mount
it
Everest.
happened actually on that day.
Right, okay.
This one is the Mount Everest, and this is Amadablam. You can see the proudness and the pride. The Mount Everest is standing, saying, "Yes, I'm on the top of the world. I'm the tallest in the world." And you can see all the hotels, and this is Debuche, and all the hotels and lodges are closed. You can see everything is closed here, and nothing you can see is there. No one here except a few crows, and Ahmad Ablam standing alone with the skyline.
With
Great.
50% oxygen.
So it's hard. It's a really hard track in January, but it's more enjoyable because there are few people and there are less people here who travels around. So it is good that you enjoy a lot, and you can see the Mount Everest again with Ahmed Ablam.
This is Pankaj Gupta on the screen for you.
Yes, sir.
Shall I-
I wanted to say something about before you play other videos because
Yes,
there
please
are so
go
many
ahead.
videos, And
Yeah, please
I
go
will,
ahead.
I will play everything maybe.
Yeah, you speak.
Yeah. So when we say about fashion show, if you when you have seen the fabrics and the clothes which people were wearing, they were all biodegradable. Even the shoes, they were biodegradable, and it was a clear message that you can use when you're in mountains. You can use the biodegradable clothes, so that you don't emit more carbon, or you don't leave any carbon footprint in the Himalayas. One. Second thing, all the supermodels who were the model of Gucci, Armani, Versace, Dolce Gabbana, so big brand models, they have not purchased anything of their own. All the stuff, even the gears, even the jackets, sleeping bags, everything was reused. It was hired. It was not even purchased. It was hired. So that we have given a message that you don't have to purchase every time you come, because the more you purchase, because it is said, it is what sustainable means. It means using the old one. What creates the pollution? Buying the new one. So we have not bought the sleeping bags, we have not bought the jackets, anything. We have hired them. We have used the used ones. We have reused it.
Wonderful.
So that everyone comes, so that the carbon, we don't make more carbon footprints again. So it's a clear message to the people, and it is not like like we are showing something in the show or something, but we, in the second season, when we are doing in September, it will be followed again, all the process, and this time we will be saving more than 30,000 liter of water, because this time the track place is somewhere else.
Wonderful, wonderful. And what is the Kurt's message? Why do you want to do all this? Because your wife is from Nepal?
Come on, like that's not an issue. My wife would have been from Germany. That's not an issue. For wife, no one goes to minus 30 degree, because it's not. My wife is from Nepal. I'm fortunate that my wife is from Nepal, and she was the person who was going hand in hand, handling on all the models with the logistic. When the people said that it is not recommended to track on January, but we have proved the world that in January, when you go up there, the sustainability and to save the mountain, the message can be given more clearly. And the best time to travel to Mount Everest or any mountain is January, because the sky is more clear. So it brings more tourism. See, I cannot stop people coming to the mountains, but I can tell them how sustainably you can go up to the mountains. I cannot stop people coming to the mountains, but I can give a message, set an example, set a benchmark, that at least one person goes up there, they can save at least 100 liters of water.
Wonderful. Because I took your wife's name, don't misunderstand me. You left your
No,
lucrative
it's what-
you left your lucrative job for this mountaineering. That's why. That was the crux. I'm thankful to a wonderful wife who
See-
understands you, and she's part of you. God bless you.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Why did you select this mountaineering? What is that you wanted to convey to the people?
See, first of all, people are seeing just Mount Everest fashion runway as a fashion runway, but behind that, as I said, like it won't be completed in just one series.
Yeah.
Behind that, we are doing so many things in the Mount Everest region, in the Khumbu region, right from building a retaining wall, or maybe building the shed for the porters, making the tanks for the animal porters so that they can drink water, making the trail wherever it is possible, making it in more sustainable. And there are so many engineers, so many architects who are working up there.
Wonderful. What is the purpose behind this?
The purpose is a clear message of global climate change. One, the people who are sitting in the coastal area, or in their ACs, air conditioned houses, and saying about global climate change, I am inviting them, come to the ground zero and see what it is called as climate change. Where the glacier was in 1950, where the glacier was in 1970, where the glacier was in 2000, and where it is now. Rather than just saying about global climate change, feel it so that you can contribute something against the global climate change.
You mean to say all this, the heat from the earth, is it what trying to?
Yes, for sure, because see, if melting of glacier won't affect the Himalayan people, but it is going to affect the people who are living in the coastal area.
Can you be more specific
So-
and explain, like?
Yeah, okay. See, every individual has the responsibility
Yeah.
So any person who's living in any part of the world, everyone contributes something to melt the glacier, right? And the message has to be very, very clear. Most of the people don't know what is the what is the like what is the situation in Himalayas. Basically, what is a glacier? They feel like it's just an ice and it is melting, but no, the glacier has been stored in the north in the third pole from thousand years, and it has been really melting. And I cannot express you the feeling unless and until you come and see that the vast difference, a kilometer, maybe a kilometer, they have melted a kilometer down.
Oh, that's really alarming.
And it's disaster. Like when we go up there, we see it is really disaster. And people who are doing this just research on the paper, it looks very good. And sitting in the AC room talking about global climate change, it is very good. But who came to Khumbu region or these areas? Who came to build a retailing wall so that they can at least save the villages can be saved by the avalanches?
Hmm. So you mean to say the change is it what the result of these avalanches and all because of the melting down
Yes,
of
for sure.
glaciers? Because
Yes, because
there-
see, I was walking on top of the glacier who were maybe 1,000 year, or I don't know, like, because that was not carbon dating or anything, like I cannot take out, because the Sherpas who are called as the and the heroes of that area, they have showed us, like, these Himalayas were here, and we have a team of researchers
okay.
right from NASA, right from Khumbu region people who are cleaning Mount Everest. From last 30 years, they are in this job that they are cleaning Mount Everest. They are removing dead bodies from there. They are bringing, because when we go up there, the tin cans, the plastic bottle remain for thousand years, and we are putting it now because 1,000 years before there was no plastic. But what we are putting it now, it is going to remain there. So for that reason, like Sherpas every year they bring down the garbages from the Mount Everest region to Lukla, and from there, from by air transport, it is brought to Kathmandu. The waste is so expensive when it reaches to Kathmandu. You can't imagine, because that waste is brought by the aircraft, by the airplane,
Okay.
because there is no way you can reach there.
Oh, okay. So you mean to say this is
There
all?
are my friends. There are my friends who have made a museum. Because it is uncontrollable now. They have made a museum, and they are making the monument out of the waste, and they are keeping it as a sculpture in the museum so that people come and see what they have made out of the waste.
So that they'll
So
not
there are
repeat.
several things happening in the region.
Now I have an interesting this thing from some gentleman. Climate change is the agenda of elites. They can manipulate climate by using secret technology.
Sir, see, basically, thank you so much. Like, it was an amazing question. Actually, say thank you to him.
Yes.
You know,
Yeah, they're watching you.
yeah. Thank you so much. What is his name?
I think Keval Pithadia, because names doesn't matter.
Hi, Kevalji. Like, I'm really delighted with your question. Actually, this is not the answer. It has to be answered by me, because when you have said that people manipulate it, basically, if I have to say, when I'm organizing a fashion show on Mount Everest, I'm inviting all the, as you said, like, who manipulates the thing. I'm inviting 200 people every year up there so that they can come and see, because I will be having records who are coming
Yeah.
and attending the show.
Hmm.
They should come, they should watch, and I will be asking on top of the Mount Everest, after going from here, what you are going to do
Hmm.
to save the earth. If you are in a liquor business, or if you are in this business, or if you are in iron business, how you are going to contribute to the climate. business you are bringing new in front of the world so that it supports climate change?
They
Or
say,
it stops melting of the glaciers?
yeah,
See, I alone, Pankaj Gupta, cannot do anything. I have just started an initiative because it is always said that when you speak from the top, the message goes far. So I have taken an initiative, and without everyone's support, it is not possible. I'm a fashion man, so I'm doing a fashion show, that too a sustainable one with a lot of messages.
so you mean to say from the top of Mount Everest through your fashion show you are speaking so that the world will hear you. Hey, look, the glacier has already come down, it has melted down. Further, if it melts down, the coastal areas are the first ones to get affected because of sea rise.
Yeah, because
Avalanches.
after the first fashion show, let me tell you, doctor, what was the result of the first fashion show? There are people on top of the world who are ruling this world. Maybe like I may not be politically correct, but the people who have money, the people who are ruling so many countries with their money. After the first season of the Mount Everest Fashion Runway, the Prince of Tuscany, he himself is coming to promote sustainability in the season 2. So when a Prince of Tuscany, if you Google, you'll get the Medici family, Cosimo de Medici. If he's coming to promote sustainability, that means they are intellect people. They know what is climate change and how it affects our nature. And that's how they are coming to promote sustainability, to promote global.
Yeah,
17 days.
17 days. When is that going to be your second phase?
Sir, the event date is 23rd, and we will start working on 10th of September, most probably.
23rd September is the date. So in 13 days you will reach Mount Everest from where you are staying now.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
That's why these people, now he says, I have seen videos of helicopters and drones used for firing in jungles. The reason why forests are burning all over the world. This is strange. The same gentleman writes this also.
Okay. See, burning of forests can be natural and cannot be natural. It depends why the forests are being burned. It's a long question, actually,
Yeah.
And it's just not a small question. It's a long question, and it has maybe maybe thousands and thousands theses can be written on this,
Right.
and thousands of doctors will be made on submitting the thesis.
Yeah.
This
But
is just not one. This answer you cannot expect just in one word or one line or one sentence.
they are saying, have you ever listened about HARP? Do you know about chemical trials? The subject is becoming very
See,
interesting, and some say it is crap, fear mongering.
I am fortunate to say that I'm in Nepal, and why I'm loving Nepal. The reason is because this country is is really very far from the chemicals, actually, and the place where I'm born in India also, like the place where I always say my Janma Bhumi is India and the Karma Bhumi is Nepal. Why I say this? Because when I see people here, they are so natural, so sustainable. They might live in America, but they are so sustainable. They have never left their roots. When I say about chemicals, see, it all depends how materialistic you are. The more materialistic you are in life, you will use more chemicals. You'll use more materials which are made up of chemicals, and you will, trust me, you will make it full of chemicals. Maybe your bedroom or your kitchen, everything will be full of chemicals.
Another question to you from the same people. What are your views on laser beam, HARP technology and chemical trials? Are they...
Oh my God, sir, I'm not the right person, maybe to answer that. Maybe I am not.
No,
Amazing question,
I'll put it very in a simplest way. Because your wife is from that area, and you are trekking Mount Everest, you are doing fashion shows, and the next in line again on September 23rd. This is nothing but to create awareness. And if she's around
It will
also,
be a yearly program. We will go up there every year, sir. It is a yearly program.
yearly program. So my understanding of these questions is, is there any sabotage being done by so-called using this technology so that another fear can be generated in the minds of people, and so that this technology, that technology, like corona, what is happening, this pandemic, people are horrified and worried, scared, like that all those elites through these type of technologies, are they contributing to such disasters so that they can psych the people into submission on another climate change?
Sir, what I primo facie, I can speak in Hindi sometimes, right?
Please, you can go ahead, sir. Language is no barrier. Please, you be comfortable.
So,
अब आप बताइए उसमें क्या है?
मुझे क्या लगता है कई बार कि म्यूटेशन किसी भी चीज का गलत होता है। हम लोग बचपन में एक्सट्रैक्शन करते थे, केमिकल लैब में, केमिस्ट्री लैब में एक्सट्रैक्शंस करते थे, और कई बार कुछ ऐसे डाल के आ जाते थे कि पूरा क्लासरूम नीला हो जाता था पूरा, ऐसे बिकॉज वी नेवर न्यू अबाउट द केमिकल्स, वी डोंट नो हाउ इट इज गोइंग टू रिएक्ट नाउ, how it is going to react after 10 days, how it is going to react after 1 year, how it is going to react after 10 years, how it is going to react after 100 years.
Yes.
So any mutation, apart any mutation which is not natural, it should not be done.
Okay.
अगर हम कोई भी म्यूटेशन करते हैं जो नेचुरल नहीं होता है, तो प्लास्टिक जैसा जहर निकल के आ जाता है। So मैं किसी भी टेक्नोलॉजी की बात करूं, आई थिंक एनी टेक्नोलॉजी, अभी जिस टेक्नोलॉजी से हम बात कर रहे हैं,
नहीं जिस तरह जंगल जलाया जा रहा, उनको एक हम उनके आपत्ति, इस तरह की आपत्ति उनके दिमाग में है कि ये साजिश है, इज दिस एन सबोटेज। तो इसी तरह का माउंटेन रीजन में भी कराया जा रहा है क्या, ताकि क्लाइमेट चेंज का मुद्दा लेके लोगों में एक डराव एक पैदा करके उसके ऊपर फिर एक बड़ा सा हंगामा चले, ये है उनका मतलब।
देखिए,
बिकॉज आप वहाँ जा चुके हैं, इस तरह का कोई साजिश हो रहा है।
मेरा कहने का क्या मतलब है कि डराया क्यों जा रहा है और हम क्यों डरे। देखिए, किसी भी चीज से जब डराया जाता है तो पहले तो हमें ये समझ लेना होता है कि उसका आफ्टर इफेक्ट क्या होगा। अगर हम अपना रिसर्च कर लेते हैं कंप्लीट कि उसका आफ्टर इफेक्ट क्या होगा, तो उससे लड़ने की भी हमें जो है सूझबूझ या अलग अलग उपाय हमें निकल के आ जाते हैं कि उससे लड़ना क्या है। जैसे मेरे लिए क्या था, जब मैंने ये मैप देखा, बहुत सारी चीजें देखी, तो मुझे लगा कि मेरे पास एक पैशन का हथियार है जिससे मैं एक शो कर सकता हूँ ऊपर, और ऊपर शो किया। हम उसको सस्टेनेबल कैसे बना सकते थे, हमने उस तरफ अपना वर्कआउट शुरू कर दिया। हमने जब उस शो को पूरा सस्टेनेबल बना दिया, सारी चीजें कर दी, तो एक सुपर शो निकल के आ गया दुनिया के लिए। तो बेसिकली साजिश क्या है, किस चीज से हम डरते हैं और डरना क्यों है। बेसिकली अगर फॉरेस्ट जला रहे हैं तो आप फॉरेस्ट आप अगर मैं ये कहूं कि कितने पेड़ हम लोग लगाते हैं, सर उतने पेड़ हम देखिए, अगर मान लीजिए लोग साजिश में जलाने लग जाए ना, और अगर हम लोग ये ठान लें कि हमको पेड़ लगाना है, तो यकीन मानिएगा एक बात कि उतने लोग पेड़ जला नहीं सकते जितने लोग पेड़ उगा सकते हैं।
ठीक,
उगाने वालों की तादाद हमेशा ज्यादा होगी।
ठीक है, अब आप आपके आंखों से नज़ारा, क्योंकि आप ये फैशन शो का मतलब यही है कि आप थर्ड पोल ग्लेशियर जिस तरह हमारी वो धरती से जो आग या क्या हीट उभर के आती है, उसके बदौलत वो मेल्ट हो रहा, वो मेल्ट होने से काफ़ी कुछ चेंजेस हम देख सकते हैं। और कोस्टल एरियाज में थोड़े सिटीज़ भी मेंशन किए, मुंबई, पार्ट ऑफ कोची और कुछ सिटीज़ है, वो शेयर भी किया है, न्यूयॉर्क
है, मॉरिशस नहीं रहेगा, मालदीव्स नहीं रहेगा।
तो इस तरह की जब डराने की बात कर रहे हैं, ये कहाँ तक सही है। ये खाली जिस तरह आग लगा रहे हैं ये फॉरेस्ट को, और इसी तरह माउंट एवरेस्ट, हमारे माउंटेन्स को भी कुछ किया जा रहा है क्या, ये पूछ रहे सवाल वो।
सर देखिए, वहां तक तो मैं उस चीज को मैं इसीलिए नहीं जा सकता क्योंकि अगर मैं कुछ कहूंगा तो आई शुड बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल अबाउट माई स्पीच। तो इस चीज के लिए मैं ये नहीं कह सकता कि लोग क्या कर रहे हैं। मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि मैं क्या करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, और बेसिकली पेपर पे नहीं, जमीनी हकीकत पे, ग्राउंड जीरो पे, उन शेरपास के साथ बाहर वालों की जरूरत नहीं है उन लोगों को कि प्लेन से लोग उठ के चले जाएं, वहां जा करके सब कुछ हम लोग ठीक कर दे। नहीं, दे आर द पीपल। अगर हम सिर्फ शेरपास को सपोर्ट कर दें, दे नो हाउ टू प्रोटेक्ट इट, दे आर द नेचुरल हैबिटेट।
ओके, तो वो लोग शेरपास के साथ आप क्या कर रहे हैं वहाँ उसको बचाने की, ये बताइए तो लोगों को।
सर, मैंने आपको बताया था कि एक एपिसोड में ये पॉसिबल नहीं है, बहुत सारी
बस।
चीजें हैं। 29 अगस्त को एक मेरा प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस है, ग्लोबल प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस है,
राइट।
और वहाँ हम बहुत कुछ अनाउंस कर रहे हैं, जो प्रोजेक्ट्स हमने वहाँ पे लिए हैं। और एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है बहुत बड़ी जो वहाँ काम कर रही है, उनको हम सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, मॉनिटरली भी सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, हम फिजिकली भी सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं उनको, मेंटली भी सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं उनको, टेक्नोलॉजिकली भी सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं हम उनको। एक छोटी सी मैं बात आपको बताना चाहता हूँ, जैसे कोई भी चीज वहाँ पे जलाया जाता है तो उसका एक एमिशन निकलता है, क्योंकि लोग रहते हैं वहाँ पर, एमिशन निकलता है, लोगों को खाना बनाना होता है, सब कुछ होता है। अगर हम उनको सोलर टेक्नोलॉजी दे दें तो वो एमिशन खत्म हो जाएगा। अगर हम वहाँ पे क्लीन एनर्जी दे दें, क्योंकि वहाँ पे परेशानियां बहुत हैं, नेचुरल परेशानियां बहुत हैं, वहाँ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बहुत जगह नहीं पहुँच सकती है, वहाँ खाना अगर पहुंचता है तो आप समझ लीजिए एक शेरपा जो 8 सिलेंडर भरा हुआ 8 सिलेंडर लेकर के ऊपर चल रहा होता है वहां पर। दुनिया की सबसे महंगी स्ट्रीट है वो, क्योंकि पानी जो है लगभग जो है कई बार 1000 रुपए लीटर बिकता है वहां पर। गर्म पानी अगर हम लेते हैं कई बार 1000 रुपए हमें पे करना पड़ता है, बिकॉज वो इतना महंगा हो जाता है ऊपर तक पहुंचने में। सो देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स डॉक्टर रेड्डी, वी आर कमिंग अप। एंड ये तो हमने सिर्फ एक ही सीजन खत्म, ये दूसरा है अभी। तो ये मतलब 1.5 साल में हमने जो चीज हमने ग्रैब की है, पूरी दुनिया में ग्रैब की है, वो इतना आसान नहीं था हमारे लिए। और 1.5 साल में कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट,
ये 1.5 साल में आपने क्या किया, वो थोड़ा 1-2 मिनट में बता सकते हैं आप? ये 1.5 साल में
1.5 साल में दुनिया ने क्या, ये देख लिया आपने, दुनिया ने कुछ नहीं किया 1.5 साल में। 1.5 साल में लोग अंदर घर पे बस बंद रहे। एटलीस्ट 1.5 साल में हमारा दूसरा शो आ रहा है 1.5 साल में। पूरा पेंडेमिक बंद रहा, आपको पता है कि लॉकडाउन रहा, सारा कुछ रहा, कुछ लोग कुछ नहीं कर पाए। लेकिन उस 1.5 साल के बाद आज हम जो है दूसरा शो शुरू कर रहे हैं, पूरी दुनिया से लोगों को बुला करके, पूरी दुनिया से जो है जो वो लोग जो रिस्पॉन्सिबली जो बोलते हैं, जिनके लाखों फॉलोअर्स हैं, जो लोग ऊपर जाके देख सकते हैं, देन जब वो बोलेंगे तो लाखों लोग उनको सुनने वाले हैं। आप जैसे लोग हैं वो लोग ऊपर आ रहे हैं, ऊपर आकर के शो कर रहे हैं, लेकिन उनको जब एडुकेट किया जा रहा है वहां पर कि ये चीजें हो रही हैं, वो जब, और सबसे बड़ी बात, कोई होटल में नहीं रुक रहा है, सब लोग टेंट में रुकने वाले हैं। सो ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो हम कर रहे हैं। अभी सबसे बड़ी बात, जहां दुनिया में शो नहीं हो रहे हैं, कोई शो नहीं चल रहा है। ओलंपिक में आपने देख लिया कि 1 लाख लोगों की बैठने की जगह 900 लोगों ने अटेंड किया। जब कोई दुनिया में इतनी हिम्मत नहीं कर रहा कि अपने कंट्री में शो कर ले, हम तो इंटरनेशनल शो बाहर से लोगों को ला करके यहाँ शो कर रहे हैं। इतनी हिम्मत हम कर रहे हैं कि कम से कम शुरुआत तो हो। कब तक हम इस कोरोना का रोना रोते रहेंगे? कब तक ये कहेंगे कि जिंदगी ठहर सी गई है? कब हम दोबारा शुरुआत करेंगे?
और एक क्वेश्चन हम पंकज जी इज अनअवेयर ऑफ एजेंडा 2030 एंड NWO।
सर उनको पता होगा तो सर उनसे कहिए कि आप प्लीज आप अपना एक्शन प्लान लेके आ जाइए, करिए कुछ। पता नहीं मैं तो किस चीज से अवेयर हूँ और किस चीज से नहीं हूँ। इस 15-20 मिनट में मैं क्या कह दूँ आपको मैं।
राइट, ये 1.5 साल में ये या जो भी लिख रहे हैं, whoever is just coming up with suggestions, you can contact me. My mobile number is there, 9440465339. Again I repeat, 9440465339. You kindly join the show. Even Pankaj ji also will join us at a later date, and he will let us know.
बेसिकली एक मैं चीज पूछ रहा हूँ, आई एम नॉट आंसरेबल टू एनीवन। पहली बात, मैं जो कर रहा हूँ मुझे पता है और दुनिया को पता है मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ और किस लिए कर रहा हूँ। सबसे बड़ी बात, जिस जगह जा रहा हूँ मैं, उस जगह के लोगों को पता है ये क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है, पहली बात। दूसरी बात, मैं आंसरेबल, मैं आपके सारे सवालों का जवाब देने में बहुत ज्यादा मैं प्रसन्न हो जाऊंगा, मैं खुश हो जाऊंगा। लेकिन अगर आप कुछ सॉल्यूशन लेके आएंगे मेरे पास,
वंडरफुल। मैं यही सॉल्यूशन लेना चाहता हूँ कि आप 1.5 साल में आपने जो भी वहाँ काम कर रहे हैं, इसका ये सोच के कर रहे हैं कि ये हमको बचाना चाहिए। ये ऑलरेडी 1 किलोमीटर नीचे आ गया है ग्लेशियर, और इसको हम नहीं बचा पाते तो कल के दिन ये कुछ भी हो सकता। मैं यही समझना चाहता हूँ
सर। मैं कोई हनुमान तो हूँ नहीं कि भाई मैं उठा लूंगा सारे ग्लेशियर्स को।
Yeah.
ठीक है सर, एक नेटिव है, अगर कोई सिंगर है तो वो ऊपर जाके सिंग ही करेगा ना, गाना ही गाएगा ना। मैं फैशन का बंदा हूँ, मैं वहां जाकर के सस्टेनेबल फैशन शो कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि आपको समझना पड़ेगा, फैशन इंडस्ट्री इज द सेकंड मोस्ट पॉल्यूटिंग इंडस्ट्री इन द वर्ल्ड।
Okay, okay. Yeah, बोलिए, बताइए. That's
फैशन इंडस्ट्री इज द सेकंड मोस्ट पॉल्यूटिंग इंडस्ट्री इन द वर्ल्ड। और मैं फैशन से क्यों जवाब देना चाह रहा हूं लोगों को, बिकॉज अगर आप ऊपर जाके सस्टेनेबल फैशन शो कर लेते हैं तो हम नीचे रह के सस्टेनेबल फैशन क्यों नहीं कर सकते? देखिए, फैशन लोगों को बड़ा अजीब लगता है यार, फैशन शो। अरे सर, जो भी हम पहन रहे हैं वो फैशन है।
हाँ, वो तो है. नेचुरली मैं भी एक वेस्ट
बिना
कोट
fashion-
पहन रहा हूँ.
जितने लोग कपड़े पहन रहे हैं वो फैशन है। अगर आपके पीछे ग्रीन स्क्रीन है तो वो फैशन
Fashion
है।
ही।
मेरे यहाँ अगर ये लकड़ी का बोर्ड लगा हुआ है तो फैशन है। अगर गाड़ी का कलर आपका रेड है तो वो फैशन है।
Right.
अगर मोबाइल का कलर आप देखिए, कभी ऐसा होता है कि हम मोबाइल लेने गए, हम बोला कि भाई कौन सा मोबाइल है? भाई एप्पल आईफोन i8 पता नहीं, एप्पल का पता भी नहीं होता है मुझे।
i12 लग रहा है अभी. i12 अभी
हाँ,
आने
कुछ भी
वाला है.
सर, कौन सा कलर पसंद आया? सर, आपने कभी ऐसा कहा कि कोई भी कलर दे दो मुझे?
Hmm.
You choose your color. That means it is something to do with the fashion.
Right. So you have selected your own profession as
लेने जाते हैं, आप कहते हैं कि नहीं, लाल नहीं दिखाना, इसको ब्लैक दिखाना, इसको ब्लैक जचता है। It is something to do with the fashion. आप गाड़ी लेने जाते हैं तो व्हाइट कलर की लेनी है, बीवी कहती है नहीं ब्लैक की लेनी है, नहीं हम एक काम करते डिसाइड करते हैं रेड की लेंगे, क्योंकि घर का पेंट जो है येलो है, अच्छा दिखेगा। That is fashion.
yeah. तो इसीलिए
Cannot deny that you are away from the
so
fashion.
you have selected your fashion show so that you can do it in a non-polluted way, so that the world understands and it starts doing that. In doing so, they can stop polluting the world. And if you stop polluting the
Yes.
world, you can save and the nature, like glaciers in Himalaya, third pole, as you have selected rightly, so that we can preserve them, because avalanches, everything happens from there, because many things run which people were not aware, because I have done a show with Mr. Sagar Dara also, how crisscrossing all those Himalayan regions you get Ganga and all those things, and what they were, why flash floods and all happened, that also we have done on this channel itself.
सर एक मिनट सर, हमें ये समझना पड़ेगा, ये बहुत हो गया कि मैं हिंदुस्तानी हूँ, मैं पाकिस्तानी हूँ, मैं नेपाली हूँ, मैं अमेरिकन हूँ, मैं जर्मन का हूँ। इट डजंट मैटर एट ऑल सर, बिकॉज हिमालय जो हम शेयर करते हैं, अरुणाचल, भूटान, नेपाल, हिंदुस्तान, पाकिस्तान और अफगानिस्तान तक जाता है। वो सारा हिंदू कुश एरिया है। हम यहाँ कोई भी हम प्लेन्स एरिया में रह करके हम पॉल्यूशन करते हैं, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि जो पॉल्यूशन है, अगर वो पाकिस्तान के हिमालय को जाके अगर पिघला रहा है तो उसको कोई वीजा चाहिए वहां जाने का। और ऐसा नहीं है कि पाकिस्तान की नदी अगर हिंदुस्तान में आ रही है तो उसको वीजा चाहिए। सो ये जो लड़ाई है, ये जो मैसेज है, ये पॉलिटिकल बाउंड्री से बहुत ऊपर है।
To protect nature, environment.
डेफिनेटली सर, मैं इंसान पैदा हुआ हूँ, मैं हिंदुस्तानी बाद में हूँ, पहले इंसान पैदा हुआ हूँ मैं। हिंदुस्तानी तो सर मेरा जब पासपोर्ट बना या कोई आधार बना या कुछ भी बना तब हिंदुस्तानी हुआ सर मैं। पहले तो इंसान का बच्चा हुआ ना सर मैं।
कुदरत की देन, नेचर, you belong to nature.
यस, और अगर मैं अलग रेस होता तो अमेरिकन कोई होता या इटालियन कोई होता, उसकी 2 नाक हो सकती थी, 4 आंखें हो सकती थी, 5 कान हो सकते थे। हम सभी लोग एक ही रेस से बिलोंग करते हैं, हमें सिर्फ बांटा हुआ पॉलिटिकल बाउंड्रीज से। और किसी भी चीज को अगर हम नेचर की चीज सोचें, तो अगर पाकिस्तान में नदी पिघलती है तो हिंदुस्तान में हम पानी पीते हैं। नेपाल में अगर बर्फ पिघलता है तो बाढ़ में बिहार के लोग डूबते हैं। ऐसा नहीं कि हिमालय में पॉल्यूशन हो रहा है, पॉल्यूशन नीचे हो रहा है। जो लोग रिसर्चर है ना, जो लोग सो कॉल्ड रिसर्चर जो लिख रहे होते हैं, दे आर डूइंग द पॉल्यूशन। जो नीचे कागजी पढ़ाई कर रहे होते हैं, वो बेचारे, वो क्या जाने पॉल्यूशन का मतलब। वो तो बिल्कुल पॉल्यूशन नहीं करते। उनके पास तो गाड़ियां नहीं है, उनके पास फ्रिज नहीं है, उनके पास एसी नहीं है, उनके पास हीटर नहीं है।
जो ऊपर रहते हैं लोग.
डेफिनेटली वो कहाँ से गाड़ियां यूज कर रहे हैं? बढ़िया गाड़ी तो हम सर देखिए, आप एक 800 सीसी की गाड़ी में गुजारा कर सकते हैं, लेकिन उसके बावजूद आपको 4000 सीसी की गाड़ी चाहिए.
या क्योंकि हम जो अधूरा थे वो बताने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ बिफोर एंड. आप बात करते रहिए.
जी नहीं सर मैं इस वक्त मेरा एक अलग इंटरव्यू है सर.
नहीं ये एक दो ही मिनट में मैं बंद करता हूँ, क्योंकि आई वांट टू शो पीपल हाउ ब्यूटीफुल दिस पिक्चर्स आर, बिकॉज यू हैव गॉन देयर एंड यू आर ट्राइंग टू शो देम द नेचर, हाउ गुड द नेचर इज. दिस शुड स्टे लाइक दिस, बिकॉज योर पॉइंट इज़ वेरी वेल टेकन. इस समय अब जब भी आप गए 2020 में, they have to understand that this was like this, and we are not going to interfere with this. If you interfere, then you are gone.
Yes.
At least, as you rightly said, what was this before?
Onela is taking picture.
In 1950, 1960, 1970, 1980, now in 2020. Now you are going to go in September 2021. How it would be, we will be presenting it to the people,
Natasha.
so that you can relate how what is Mount Everest and Himalayas were before, what they are now. Then you will clearly understand. Am I right, Pankaj ji?
Yes.
So I am trying
Definitely.
to connect Pankaj ji. I hope people will understand. And what are the reasons? You only explore. Who is trying to destroy them?
As you can see, this is the Mount Everest. This one is the Mount Everest, and
This is the
This is
peak. Such beautiful
Amadablam.
pictures, videos you have on your screen. Kindly
Countless
compare them, because you have Google now. If you Google it,
The Mount
why they are
Everest
trying to
is
say, then
saying yes
you can penalize those people who are trying to say that by 2050, if
in the
the
world.
temperatures continue to rise,
You can see
what is going to happen?
hotels, and
And also,
this is the Buche.
why these temperatures have been rising very steadily. Let us also understand, before a decade ago, how it was. Why this climate change? Is it not true?
Everything
And
is
from where I make my shows in Kerala now,
nothing you can see is
all of a sudden the river gets flooded. The very next moment we see drying of the rivers.
except the
What is
few
this
clouds.
phenomena? I've been asking everyone, why this is happening?
Sunny.
And you have seen in Uttarakhand how people got washed away. Many people, even engineering students from Telangana, Hyderabad region got washed away. Why?
Rain.
You have to say, yes, they are constructing unnecessarily all those projects, that ill-gotten money of politicians and all.
It's more
But at the
endeavor
same
because
time,
there are-
Who is responsible for all this?
and there are less people here who
Let us understand that.
so
So that is the reason why we are trying to, and he is trying to be very discreet and clear. I am a fashion man,
you can see
and I am reaching the top of the world. I have entered in Guinness Book of World Records by conducting a fashion show there. From top, I am trying to speak.
Guinness World Record was a byproduct. It was bound to happen. We didn't went for Guinness World Record. It was a byproduct basically.
All right, I
We
understood.
did something there.
Yes, yes, that is
Basically, why? Because fashion is the most, second most polluting industry in the world.
mountains.
Listen to him. He very clearly states he is from fashion field, and he says the fashion is the second most polluting thing in the world. So he wanted to present to
Industry-
people.
because you know, okay.
Fashion industry.
Let me just tell you one thing. Let me just tell you one thing. How many clothes you have? For example, for one person, how many clothes you have in your wardrobe? One. You go to a cloth market or a showroom, you can see thousands and hundreds and thousands clothes up there. Everyone buying every month, maybe every week. There are so many people who are buying, but then the clothes are not finishing. They're made in thousands and hundreds and thousands. You know, लाखों की तादाद में हो रहा है. Can anyone answer me one thing? Can anyone answer me one thing? जब ये 1 साल का लॉकडाउन, ये 4 महीने 6 महीने का जो भी लॉकडाउन हुआ था, उस दौरान के लिए जो कपड़े बने थे बिकने के लिए, उन कपड़ों को क्या हुआ? कितना कार्बन फुटप्रिंट हुआ? वो कपड़े कहाँ गए? कितना डिस्ट्रॉय हुए? वो
I-
केमिकल्स कितना कार्बन फुटप्रिंट किया?
I hope people are listening now to him very clearly. That is why he's a fashion man. He goes to the top of the world to tell people stop this pollution. Until and unless you stop
See,
this pollution,
I am against the fast fashion. मैं वापस उसी जगह पे जा रहा हूँ. हमारे बाप दादा, मेरे डैड, मुझे याद है, एक शर्ट 7 साल 8 साल पहनते थे. दैट इज कॉल्ड सस्टेनेबिलिटी. आज क्या हो रहा है? आज हम एक बार, 2 बार, 3 बार, 4 बार, जिसके पास पैसा है वो एक बार पहन के तो दोबारा वो शर्ट नहीं पहनता है.
I know. Even we have to correct
Can you
ourselves.
imagine शर्ट बनाने के लिए कितना पानी वेस्ट किया गया होगा, कितना कलर हुआ होगा, जब डाई करने के लिए कितना कलर चाहिए होता है.
Yes, that is a point. Even
आपको
I'm
भी
even
याद होगा कि आपके माता पिता शायद, मेरे ख्याल से आपके डैड को अगर आपको याद होगा तो 8 साल पुरानी पैंट, 10 साल पुरानी पैंट भी वो पहन रहे होते थे. दैट इज कॉल्ड सस्टेनेबिलिटी. आज किसको देखते हैं हम 10 साल पुराना पैंट पहनते हुए?
आप फैशन वर्ल्ड में रोज का रोज एक बेल बॉटम, एक नैरो पैंट, फैशन चेंज होता ही जा रहा है. तो लोगों को
सर मैं प्रमोट कर रहा हूँ नॉन वायलेंट सिल्क, एरी सिल्क को, जिसकी लाइफ 100 साल है, 100 इयर्स है, जो कि
वंडरफुल,
आसाम में पाई जाती है. 1000 साल पुराना इतिहास है उसका. मैं उसको प्रमोट कर रहा हूँ इस बार.
wonderful. What is that silk? What do you call that, which is available in Assam?
एरी सिल्क, एरी सिल्क.
ERI. So it's a non-pollutant.
इट्स ए नॉन वायलेंट सिल्क. कीड़ा जो होता है सिल्क के अंदर, उसको भी नहीं मारा जाता है उसमें.
Oh, wonderful. So nature friendly.
100% biodegradable.
100% biodegradable, nature friendly. I hope people are listening to him. That is why he goes to the top of the world, risking everything.
सर 100 इयर्स, उस कपड़े का फैब्रिक का जो मिनिमम जो एज है वो 100 ईयर है. ये मैंने कहीं और से लिया नहीं है. ये आसाम का कल्चर है, हिंदुस्तान का कल्चर है कि बहू जो सास होती है वो अपनी बहू को अपनी साड़ी देती है. वही साड़ी वो जब सास बनती है तो अपनी बहू को देती है. तो ये कम से कम ये 4 या 5 जनरेशन तक चलता है वो. इससे बड़ी सस्टेनेबिलिटी की, ये तो सर हमारे हिंदुस्तान में पड़ा हुआ है. किसने इसको सोचा कि दुनिया का सबसे सस्टेनेबल कपड़ा हमारे हिंदुस्तान में पड़ा हुआ है. हम सस्टेनेबल की बात करते हैं, हम सस्टेनेबल की चीजें बाहर से सीख रहे होते हैं, जबकि हमारे हिंदुस्तान में सारी चीजें पड़ी हुई है. नेपाल में इतनी सारी चीजें पड़ी हुई है सस्टेनेबल की, हम कभी उसको देखते नहीं है. क्यों? दैट इज नॉट फैशन. दैट इज व्हाई आई डिसाइडेड कि इन चीजों को फैशन में लेके आया जाए. जब हमारा कपड़ा इटली पहनेगा, जब हमारा कपड़ा जर्मनी पहनेगा, तब हम लोग जो है उसके पीछे पीछे आएंगे कि हम भी पहनना चाहिए, हमें भी पहनना चाहिए. क्यों? क्योंकि ये इटालियन पहन रही है, अमेरिकन पहन रहा है. सर हम बर्गर क्यों खाते हैं? क्योंकि अमेरिकन खाता है. हम बॉर्नविटा क्यों पीते हैं? क्योंकि अमेरिकन पीते हैं. हम सत्तू क्यों नहीं पीते? आई ड्रिंक सत्तू एवरी डे. दैट इज 1000 टाइम्स बेटर देन द बॉर्नविटा.
Wonderfully explained. Because it makes us thinking. At least now those people, my wonderful guests, will understand the native purpose of Mr. Pankaj Gupta's show on Mount Everest. Sustainable. Why should we buy so many clothes which generates carbon print, dyeing, chemicals are used? Can't we do it? Can't we stop it there? If you start doing that, as he rightly said, this pollutant, because fashion industry is the second largest polluting industry in the world, and in the name of fashion, because even we do now, we are trying to, I'm trying to, because my clothes are years old, very years old, we will,
I can see and I'm proud of it. I can see and I'm proud of your clothes, doctor.
yeah, I wear such good clothes which are woven. ये खादी का है, ये भी खादी कुर्ता है. Only these days I have stopped wearing all those, and I try to, okay, at times I may wear, but mostly you might maybe see. And that too, the vital point, why should we have so many clothes? Why should we keep on changing the clothes in the name of fashion, in the name of design? Because it's film industry to everyone who are trying to dictate terms and what pollution it is causing. Amazing how Mr. Pankaj Gupta has dealt this. Go to Mount Everest and do a fashion show. From the top of the world, he's saying, I am using biodegradable clothes. They are rented, they can be reused. We are not doing anything new again. He says he is planning to go in September this September, coming 2021 September, same, we are going to use those clothes which have been used, no new things. He's sending a message, very curt and clear message. He is a fashion man, and he clearly states this is the second most polluting industry in the world. If I have to stop this climate change, it should happen with me. That is why I am doing something there where it matters. Once the mountains, glaciers start melting, what can it do? How can it devastate? So he states, with my profession, I am going there up. And I am trying to tell the world from top of the world. Yeah, boliye sir.
Sir, I never color my hair. Because, you will see fashion designers coloring their hair, having their, so many dresses and all. That is not a to-do list for the fashion designer, right? A fashion designer can wear khadi. A fashion designer, fashion designer means like what suits you. According to the Michelangelo, there is a human side, Michelangelo, about the proportion of the body. What suits you? According to your BMI, body mass index, what suits you?
Wonderful.
That is called as fashion, in which you should look good. That is it. Changing of fashion, I never support. As it is said, fashion changes in 3 months. किसने बोला ये? मिलान ने बोला. आज मिलान क्या कर रहा है? मैक्का ऑफ फैशन, वो सस्टेनेबिलिटी की तरफ जा रहा है.
लाउडली बोलिए और एक बार बोलिए ताकि सब लोग सुने.
देखिए, जो फास्ट फैशन होता है वो हर 3 महीने में फैशन चेंज होता है, और हर बार इंसान जो हर 3 महीने पे नए कपड़े ले रहा होता है. लेकिन आज यूरोप पूरा, जो जहां से फैशन शुरू होता है, यूरोप, वो लोग सस्टेनेबिलिटी की तरफ जा रहे हैं. आई हैव मैक्सिमम ऑफ माय पीपल, जो मैक्सिमम लोग आ रहे हैं यूरोप से आ रहे हैं मेरे मॉडल्स. मैक्सिमम जो प्रिंस आ रहे हैं, वो इटली के जो टस्करी के जो प्रिंस है, वो आ रहे हैं सस्टेनेबिलिटी को प्रमोट करने के लिए.
मैं उनका ही वीडियो अभी प्ले करता हूँ, उसके बाद में हम शो एंड करेंगे ताकि लोगों को समझ में आए आप क्या क्या कर रहे हैं, किस किस तरह के लोग आपको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं.
ये नहीं है सर.
The tracker is coming up.
Oh,
The models.
ये नहीं है सर.
right.
Track.
ये नहीं है. So where is it?
There's Marlena, Alessandro.
फेसबुक पे लिंक होगा सर आपके पास.
Oh, I'm trying to
We
check.
are here.
This is the ramp, right?
ये तो सर
All the amenities.
ये
एक
this-
दिन पहले जब हम पहुंच
Requirements for
रहे थे वहां पर.
That is the Mount Everest.
कितने दिन पहले?
On 26 January
एक दिन पहले सर.
2020.
एक
We
दिन
are
पहले.
here. You
And,
can see this is a ramp made of pure
right.
wood.
Where is that?
This is
Let me
the
just
green
check
room
once.
with the heater. This is the washroom, male and female. This is the
See beautiful pictures of Mount
Or-
Everest. Just watch it.
for the
And
for the
meanwhile, I'll
guests
try
have
to.
snacks.
This is
And
Mount
this you can
Everest.
see
He is trying to show us. Understand?
Mount Everest.
He has not done it for record. Record just happened because he went with a cause and purpose, which he has already explained it to the world.
Both of us
Now
here,
at least
you
people
have
will
your
stop
villa. We can
dictating. I mean, the misunderstanding. And even if you understand or misunderstand, he says, "My job is cut out, and I'm going."
We can
सर वीडियो पॉज कीजिए एक मिनट सर.
मैं पास कर रहा हूँ ये फेसबुक की मैं लिंक जनरेट आई एम ट्राइंग टू.
कोई बात नहीं सर. ये जब बाद में दैट्स नॉट एन इशू सर.
वो फेसबुक भी का
सर
लिंक
कोई
भी.
सिपाही
या बोलिए.
कोई सिपाही मेडल के लिए नहीं लड़ता है सर. कोई सिपाही मेडल के लिए नहीं लड़ता है.
बोलिए.
जीवित रहते हुए या मरने उपरांत उसको मेडल मिलता है. वो बाय प्रोडक्ट होता है. वो उसकी बहादुरी और वीरता के ऊपर मिलता है. उसके किए गए काम पे मिलता है. कोई भारत रत्न के लिए काम नहीं कर रहा होता है. काम करने के बाद भारत रत्न मिला जाता है. वो बाय प्रोडक्ट होता है.
Wonderfully said. Wonderfully explained. क्योंकि I was just trying to let people with this Facebook का जो है अब आपने जो भेजा है.
सर आप उसका लिंक अपने लिंक में नीचे शेयर कर दीजिएगा. जिनको भी देखना है they can see that.
I'll just click once so that उसी से एंड करेंगे. ये अच्छी बात कही है। जो बहादुर हमारे सिपाही जो जंग के लिए जाता है वो मेडल के लिए नहीं, जंग में जाके जब वो मरता है उसको मेडल दिया जाता है। This has to be understood. The same way he has gone there to tell the world that the fashion industry is the second most pollutant. Why not we start using biodegradable so that we can save planet, we can protect planet, and that too from where? From Himalayas. If that can be protected, if that can be done, then we are safe. So मैं आपको ये लास्ट एक आई एम ट्राइंग टू शेयर दिस, आई होपफुली आई ट्राई टू गेट होल्ड ऑफ दैट एंड बाद में हम शो एंड करते हैं। वेरी वेल सेड पंकज जी। आई होप नाउ all those people, wonderful guests who have been questioning us, their doubts are very cleared.
No,
They should.
See, I'll tell you one thing. See, maybe बहुत लोग आज पहुंचे नहीं है, बहुत लोग बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, बट एक सिंपल सी बात है। मेरा क्वेश्चन है हर उस फैशन डिजाइनर से जो हिंदुस्तान में आज बड़े बड़े फैशन डिजाइनर बने हुए हैं, मेरा हर उस फैशन डिजाइनर से एक सवाल है कि हमारे देश से या हमारे कॉन्टिनेंट से क्या ऐसा मैसेज हम फैशन के थ्रू दुनिया को दे रहे हैं जो पूरी दुनिया उसको फॉलो करे? क्या कोई एक मैसेज ऐसा है? और जवाब है नहीं।
जवाब है नहीं। All those who are watching, listening to Mr. Pankaj Gupta, or whether I'm playing this, which has been, these are the prince and princess of Italy. Am I right, sir?
Tuscany, Italy.
Tuscany, Italy. They have sent this personal message to Mr. Pankaj Gupta, and they are going to join him this September, the second edition. Am I right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Just try to play this. See how it plays. Screen.
No problem.
So I think that the word sustainability is particularly important in our day and age because of the growing number of population of our planet. We need to drive sustainability in food, fashion, and other industries. And I think that fashion in particular is the closest industry to adopt sustainability. So it's a very real opportunity. And I think that this can become a thing in the next decade. So I'm a very big promoter of sustainable fashion.
Well, certainly for every big project there is a certain point where everything starts, and to know that Nepal started this amazing project, it's really nice because this beautiful project starts in an amazing place, Mount Everest, and as we can say, it's on the top of the world, so of course it's gonna be a really top message, and it's gonna spread around the world with other incredible ambassadors and other organizers. So of course it's really important to know where everything started so that everyone knows that Nepal is an amazing country.
So I think doing a fashion show on top of Mount Everest sends a very clear message. Not only because it's Guinness to achieve a fashion show on top of it, but also the region of Nepal and the whole culture of Nepal, spirituality and everything goes well together with sustainability and fashion. And of course, Nepal is also famous for its clothing, and it's much better to have a little extra premium for something that is sustainable and handcrafted and brings it brings benefits to the whole population. It brings work and it advances the whole of the country. It brings money. It brings tourism. So it's good for Nepal as well, not just for sustainable fashion.
Well, certainly the message to organizer is firstly, thank you very much to make us really participate in this beautiful project, and we are very, very excited to start this beautiful journey to this amazing country. So certainly thank you everyone that is building this project, and I'm really, really happy as well to be part of this sustainable, because we really, really need to take care of our beautiful planet.
Well, I'm also very grateful and thankful for this, especially because going to Nepal has been a dream of mine for more than 10 years. So this opportunity has come at the perfect time, and I'm very glad to go with locals who can show me around and teach me the culture
The message is very
and
clear.
know Nepal.
Because you know,
Yes.
it's amazing, lovely
It's
people
very different than
Yes.
going there as a tourist. So it's
for the
definitely
climate, because they really
an opportunity, and I'm very grateful for it.
here for the climate.
Of course, I'm really happy for several things. First of all, because I really love my planet, and to spread this message, it's a really big honor for me, because I think we should really, all of us, care about the planet, because we all share this house. So we really, really need to we really need to give love to our planet, and so this is a very beautiful project. And as well because it's my first time to go in Nepal, and I really can't wait to get to know the culture, and as well because I go to the person whom I love, and I'm really thankful, really.
Wonderful. Now I think this should clear it. People are coming just not like that to see that the planet stays intact. The beautiful planet we are living in. It's our responsibility to save it, and what better way? Reaching the top of Mount Everest, from there, sending a message from the top to the world. Stop pollution, save Himalayas. It will save not just India, the entire South Asia. Why these are happening? All those wonderful guests who have been questioning us, you understand why there have been changes, the climatic changes, why they are happening. Who is responsible? Definitely, even I do feel that even I'll start impressing my family too, that less clothes, less carbon, this thing. And I do wear this, I'm happy wearing all this. I would love to be very comfortable in the normal dhoti also, because in Kerala style. Same thing I would love to continue. And yes, my children also, because they are too young, and I will love to make them to understand by wearing those clothes again and again what is that we are going to contribute as a family. I hope if everyone does it, that is the beautiful message which Mr. Pankaj Gupta and his lovely wife, understanding wife from Nepal, who are doing a human service. You have to understand what will happen if Himalayas start melting. What will happen if glaciers start melting? Who is doing it? Is a sabotage or by your own polluting methods? You have to understand, because this is in our hands, not you and me. We are all together. If we are responsible for this pollution, don't you think we should change so that that won't change? The top of the world, Himalayas.
One last thing, Doctor, I would like to, send to the people who are listening you through you. Stop questioning to the person who's trying to save something. Start questioning to the people who is trying to destroy the things.
Wonderfully said. Stop questioning one who is trying to save the planet, at least who is trying to do something. Question them who are trying to destroy the world by various means. You have seen the agriculture, chemicals, now organic farming, they say. Even I am very well trained. We have been questioning. Question them who are responsible. When can you question them? When you understand the purpose of this show, of this gentleman, then you also start doing something good and better. Then if you start questioning them, they will understand. Because even we are equally responsible. We buy so many clothes, different clothes, fashion clothes, without understanding what is happening with dyeing and all. The other day also I did do a show here in Kitex, a company, how the river has gone dry because of those dyeing, the chemicals used in dyeing. I have done a show also. That is why we are marked. They will cut down our economies. That means whatever we are doing, it is right. There is no point in trying to strangle our show making. If you are doing that, that means it is pinching you somewhere. Let it pinch you. We are here to save the planet, because this show very clearly states no enmity against individual nor animosity against any party or organization. Issue as per rule of law, constitution, invoking evidence. We have showed you large evidences here. They have gone to the top of world. They have shown you how the Mount Everest looks, what it was before in 1950, 1970, 1980, in 2020, what it would be like tomorrow if we continue with this. Why these changes are happening? Even those years also someone was trying to sabotage going there. Kindly understand, and let us save this world. Let us save this planet. Let us make our lives environmental and nature friendly, so that we can live a better life. Not only that, we are just not the last ones to be on this planet. We need to save and preserve this for our future generations. That is also our responsibility. Think of your own kith and kin, your kith and kin, their offsprings. Don't you think it is our responsibility? Come on, let us start doing this at our place. Once you start doing at your place, win at home to conquer the world. Let us.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Pankaj Gupta, and hopefully, I think
Yeah,
you'll make
Thank
me
you so much.
you'll make me a part of your August 29th press conference. Do send live
Yes,
link
for
so
sure,
that.
for sure.
So
For
do
sure,
convey
for sure.
my regards to your wife and everyone there who is been part of this wonderful planet saving modes you have been adopting. God bless
Yeah.
you all, and I'm there
Thank you.
as and when you call me. I can connect you to the world. At least hope you have enjoyed connecting from wherever you are.
I really enjoyed. Actually, I'm getting a phone call from New York actually, because I have another interview up there in the New York Times.
Wonderful,
So-
wonderful. Do share the link with them also. And before I say
I
bye,
will share with you.
yeah, tomorrow morning you can view the re-telecast of this show on Citizens Dr. TSPR channel, and sorry, it is on Environment People, because this will be re-telecasted on Environment People channel. Now this is DR means Dr. TSPR channel, Citizens Dr. TSPR channel, Environment People. Tomorrow morning at 11 o'clock, this show will be re-telecasted on Environment People. So let us save the planet. Let us come together. Otherwise, our existence and what are we going to present to our future generations? Try to understand. Thank you, dear. Take care. See you soon.
Thank you so much, Doctor.
Take care. Good night to all the Indians.